The following instructions apply to metal and wood posts. Slide the body onto the cable. Pull the cable through the body as far as it will go. Mount the clevis to the mounting hole at the post with a button head screw and tighten with a hex wrench. Screw the lock nut onto the threads. Then turn the body onto the threads until it is finger tight. Finish tightening the cable by gripping the cable with cable gripping pliers and turning the body with an open-end wrench until the cables are tight. Tighten the lock nut against the body. The adjust-a-jaw will swivel up and down for runs on stairs or severe pitches.